Hello and welcome. This video shows the highlights of the new version 2.2 of Proxmox Backup Server. I am William, a computerized voice, and I will show you the highlights. Proxmox Backup Server is an enterprise backup solution for backing up and restoring virtual machines, containers, and physical hosts. The new version is based on Debian 11.3, codenamed Bullseye, but using a newer Linux kernel 5.15 and ZFS 2.1.4. This version introduces a namespace feature. This allows you to organize backups from multiple sites or Proxmox VE setups into separate namespaces within a single data store. This avoids naming conflicts and allows more fine-grained access control. In this demo setup, we run 3 backup servers. One in a data center called US for my US-based Proxmox V cluster. One in a data center called EU for my EU-based Proxmox V cluster. And one backup server in the company headquarters. In the US data center data store, there are 7 backups of a single Windows 2022 virtual machine, consuming about 11 GB of data. The setup in the EU data center is very similar. With roughly 11 GB of data in the EU data store. In the headquarters data store, hourly sync jobs are defined on the main backup server. All data from the remote locations is synchronized to a single data store, but separated into namespaces. If needed, group filters can be defined via the GUI. By the way, group filters are also available for tape backup jobs. By doing this, naming conflicts can be avoided and deduplication is better able to keep data stores small and deduplicated. In the example, the combined data store from the EU and the US needs just 18 GB instead of 22, showing a deduplication factor of 66, and all this with fully encrypted data. It is easy to create and remove additional namespaces. Just click Add Namespace. To remove a namespace, you have to enter the ID for confirmation. By enabling the new maintenance mode, new reads or writes to the data store are blocked depending on the mode. This allows an administrator to safely execute maintenance tasks, for example, on the underlying storage. The new version Proxmox Backup Server 2.2 is available in all of our repositories. We hope you'll enjoy working with Proxmox Backup Server. If you have any questions, check out the Proxmox community forum for help. If you need enterprise support, go to our website for more information. Thanks for watching.